shaking things up across the planet, even faster than we can process. It feels like overnight our world changed. And while rapid change can seem scary, what if we reframe it? Instead of seeing AI as a threat, we can look at it as an opportunity to reimagine the way we work so that we can reach new levels of efficiency. The key is embracing this technology as an opportunity rather than an adversary. Hi there, I am Marcela Umana from Metropolis Corp in sunny Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Not so sunny today. For the past 3 decades, my company has been providing UC analytics software to organizations across the globe. In navigating our own AI journey here at Metropolis, I have learned valuable lessons that make adopting this tech exciting rather than threatening. My goal is to pass along a few things that you may be able to apply in your own organization. First, look for the opportunity. Closely analyze how AI is impacting your specific business and workflows. Where could automation replace recurring tasks? How can you use it to improve your products? For us, for example, AI automates meetings transcriptions and auto-generates a checklist of action items so we don't forget to follow up. Additionally, a customized chatbot handles numerous customer support questions, which reduces the volume of our human agents so that they can concentrate on other tasks. And our UC Analytics software uses AI also to generate even better insights for our customers. Second, find upskill opportunities for your team. We're still at the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI innovation. In as little as 3 years, the landscape will look radically different. Get ahead of that curve by proactively training staff on AI integration. There are more affordable options than ever before, from online data science bootcamps to self-paced tutorials. Seriously, make learning part of your company culture. Third, try new tools. There are hundreds of thousands of AI tools out there already. The market has really exploded. It's an exciting, if still messy landscape. If you have already identified opportunities where AI might make sense to improve your business, it would allow for more targeted tool evaluation. We have several AI fans in our team that keep up with the latest technology advancements and regularly suggest new tools and plugins to the company. Regularly. Cultivate that curiosity across your organization. Be open-minded and make sure you allow a little experimentations to see what truly works for you. 4, create new workflows with AI in mind. Tweak workflows to capitalize on AI's strength, then build in checks. We configured our internal chatbot, Zeek, to handle customer intake, which frees up reps for relationship building. But before we published it, we sent it through several rounds of rigorous testing. Even now that it is published, our support team continues to spot check its answers to confirm they're accurate. It is a balance between AI's efficiency and human judgment. 5th, and a very important one, implement policies. I think every organization should carve out a framework on how and who uses AI within the organization. Add information about ethics and disclosures and include it in your employee training. Make sure to revisit these policies quite often as things change rather quickly. AI's potential is real. Analysts project over 30 billion revenue from generative solutions alone by 2027. But potential only transforms through action. Take action. View AI as an amplifier that takes your organization's strength to the next level. The choice is yours. Either allow AI to disrupt business as usual, or embrace it as an opportunity to reinvent yourself. At Metropolis, we're charging ahead because we think AI as an amplifier that will take our organization's strength to the very next level. If you would like to continue the conversation, connect with me in LinkedIn or visit metropolis.com. I am happy to converse more on navigating disruption as we chart the road ahead together. The future is unwritten, and there is so much we might create.